Essex completed Burston and Elf. Sussex completed Oxneford. Lincolnshire. Jorvik. Zero Blow SS Dressier. Zero Snowding. Jorvik eligible.
Tell me about Jorvik. Hytham says there are 3 more targets there.
If that is true, you are in luck. Our old friends Jor and Ljuvina have made their homes in Jorvik. Both had status and influence in Norway, so they may have valuable insights into this.
That will make my work easy.
What say you then?
I will pledge to.
I'll go now. Do you know where I might find Jor and Ljuvina?
When entering a new city, it is best to ask around the ports.
Uber Ragnarsson has come. He claims to have some business with you.
World. Reap what was. Hold cross fast travel. Undiscovered. The welcoming party with a. Hold cross fast travel.
To the Swan Road. Let the sail out! Sing us a song. Drop the sail! Sail out! Is there a seaskull among you?
Here's a tale to tickle your sides. The winter before, I was drinking in Stavanger with some companions. With us in the mead hall were men of Bard Jarl's clan, one of which was a poet named Halli, called sarcastic Halli by most. 7 ale halls into his night, Halli stood upon his table and called across the room to another man, a skald named Tjodolf. Tjodolf, he yelled, I can compose a more beautiful poem with my belching than you could with your tongue and fine words. The room laughed.
World.
Catch the wind!
I accept your challenge, sarcastic Halli, he shouted. Allow me to begin. Tjodolf then spoke this verse. Sad Halli drowns in horns of hubris, squeaking like a stoat, yet proudly the pup calls it poetry. The room laughed again, with Halli joining in. Then, Halli tripped across the room and opened his mouth to speak his verse. From his throat erupted a jet of
What see
vomit.
you, old friend?
Which is he most proud. Look there! Enemy camp, Eivor!
World. The welcoming party with a lead on the order, Ivor heads. World. World. Skills. Save. Override. Override existing save game.